Hey, check out that new used headlight. Wow. Looks good. No water. So we got a new router. I don't even know if I'm going to install it here. Maybe I'll keep it when I get my container house soon. It's not the best router, but it's an okay router. AX500 dual band RT AX5400. They make this in the gaming version. Another version, you can get a 5700, which is better. This is Wi-Fi 6. I currently have Wi-Fi 4. I don't even like Wi-Fi. It does have the AI mesh system, so it can be linked on another router. Windows 11 rated or somewhere. No, that's not Windows 11. It says somewhere on it. Here you go. Meh. 2-year warranty. And made in the Taiwan. I was looking at other routers brands, even like TP-Link. TP-Link's made in China, Shenzhen, China. So that means that their information is going to be sent back to China. Chinese company. Anyway, it has all these features. Comes in the plastic. Got it from wrapped in plastic. I got it from B&H Photo. Try to open it. Even though this is, you ever see people how they reseal used stuff? And you just think it's wrapped in plastic, it's new. Oh, but it's wrapped in plastic. It's a whole market on that. You're doing a peeling, like kind of looks like my clear coat. Poor truck. Anyone know how to paint? We gotta paint whitey. It has gigantic dents in this side. May need a whole bedside. Well, 2 bedsides. Anyway, we're gonna open it up. There's a whole market full of resealing items. And motherboards now are weird. They don't come like this. They don't come wrapped in plastic anymore. No gaming port. I don't care. I don't need that. Ouch. Hey, my paint job. Look, putting clear coat back on the truck. Look, it's shiny again. Wow. So that is that. How does this machine open? This is weird. Okay, it looks like it's one of these kind of jobbers. I'm not in frame. Like this. Go. Yeah. Update the version. Yeah, it probably does need firmware update. I didn't even know about that. Stop. No idea. Okay, decent size. This one is not wall mountable, unfortunately. Yeah. Oh, it is wall mountable. Look at that. I thought it wasn't. It is. I thought it wasn't. Look. I think those are slots there. Maybe it's not. I don't know. No, it is. This little thing. I thought it wasn't wall mountable. It is. I might put it on the damn wall. There's the antennas already installed. Okay. 4 antennas. Wow, it is wall mountable. I didn't think it was. I'm more happy now. What is that? On-off. That's cool. On-off switch. Look at that. Instead of having a little tiny push button like my old one. Antennas already installed. 4 antennas. Reset button. Don't use that. And made in Taiwan. Let's take it out of the bag. Yeah. Cool. It doesn't have a bracket though. I wonder if I can make a bracket or something. Wall mounted will be the best though, up high with wall anchors. Can't do it one hand. Oh, where's it look? Where's the power adapter? I do the best unboxings I know. Tell me I know. VIP member. Okay, there's the power supply. Looks like pretty similar to what I have. What did they give you? They give you a, I don't know, probably a Cat 5e. Yeah, give you a Cat 5e. Why don't they even give you a Cat 6? Oh, whatever, you get what you get. Now we gotta go, because this stupid ISP, I'm gonna have to change this to the different thing. But there we go. There's our new router in the bag. We're not gonna take it out because it's really humid out and everything else. It looks like it's all complete. Hopefully the thing runs. Put this back in. Maybe I'll have less dropouts. I can do whatever here. I can make a funny. Oh, I can make a funny Wi-Fi network. Okay, there's the router outside the bag. We got this going over here. Stuff. We got the plastic. This is the actual unit. 4 antennas. It is, for my shock, wall mountable. I didn't think it was going to be wall mountable, but there it is. Awesome. I thought it was going to be one of those weird things, just sitting down with the antennas up, but no. You can do it that way. It does not have a bracket. My old one was able to stand up like this, but that's okay. Power supplies in there, and a Cat 5e cable. I don't know why they give you a Cat 5e, but it says Cat 5e on it somewhere. Cat 5e somewhere. I saw it before, believe me. VIP member. Okay, different languages I don't speak. Nice box. Whoever was the box engineer on this did a fantastic job. Antennas are already installed. I think they're non-removable. The on and off switch is very cool. 1, 2. Get one USB 3.0. Power connector. Whatever. They're made in Taiwan, not made in China, like TP-Link and other brands. Because I don't trust China anymore. Here's my new router. Hopefully it will project further away, and I'll do more crappy unboxings on the peeling hood of my truck in the future, or maybe never. Alright, done. New headlight. Asus. Asus is cool.